Alright, so we got this phone app. We're ordering a burrito.
We'll go back to the start. So,
right.
Phone app wing, Project Wing.
Yep.
Brennan's going to try Guzman and Gomez burrito.
Right.
So going in, he's going to go a spicy beef burrito.
Okay,
He's going to add guac.
Yep. You know what I want?
What do you want? Coriander? Do you like coriander?
Yeah.
Onion.
Like whatever you usually have.
That's what I normally get.
Yep, whatever you usually have. You've got good taste.
Add to order. Then we go to the basket. One spicy burrito, $14.
Okay.
Delivering to here, right where we are now.
Yep.
Check out.
And what's this app called again?
Well, you can't they have to invite you to download it.
No, I know, just so people know.
It's called Project Wing, I think it's called.
Project Wing. So this is an experimental app, guys. You can't just do it, but...
You can go change payment method, and you put your credit card details into there.
Alright, we'll take care of business. Do you want to pay for me? I'll pay you back, or no?
Let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
Hey. You don't even worry, I'll show you anyway.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Right.
No, but I'm just saying your details aren't on there. But basically, so this is an experimental Google app, basically.
Yep. Okay, so it's saying order received. You're going to estimate delivery of 11 past 2. It's now
so
2:02.
About 10 minutes.
Now you just wait.
Yep.
It'll send me an update shortly. Like it's now notified them there's a scheduled flight.
Oh right, yeah.
These are all the other deliveries
so you can track
I've had.
Yeah, so you can track it all. Yep.
So I've had some breakfast and a couple of different burritos done.
There's too much glare.
Yeah.
But anyway,
so
this is my mate Mitch. He's a good guy.
Don't forget Facebook.
But basically, he's introduced me to this technology.
First place in the world to test this technology.
Yeah.
Yeah. No shit.
Yeah. So it's experimental, guys, but they're basically using drones to deliver food.
Yeah.
Just something different. So Google, yeah, it's a Google thing.
Google owns Project Wing.
Right.
It's part of the alphabet. They've got a spin-off thing called Alphabet.
Okay.
They use different letters of the alphabet for different projects.
Oh, I see.
For the project, this is X.
Yep.
X Wing.
Yep.
And that's the project.
Okay, cool.
So,
but
they've been testing this for about a month or so. In the Northern only. So.
But it's interesting, huh? They decided to test it in Australia for whatever reason, and yeah, cool.
We got the aviation thing passed or whatever it is.
But guys, it's been a very cold winter in Australia. Now springtime's starting to come around, starting to warm up. Beautiful day today. So hopefully we can catch this drone thing.
Yeah, you'll get it.
Drone burrito.
You'll be sweating up, man.
This is crazy. We got an airdrop.
It's gonna come down.
That's crazy, man.
Isn't that crazy? Look at it.
That's amazing. All right, thank you. It's like bye. Do they have a camera on them?
Yeah,
probably.
They have a camera on there, they do.
Yeah.
Look at the size of it.
Yeah, that's.
It's got 12 choppers on it.
Wow, man.
Plane.
All right, so let's check out this package.
Yeah.
Crazy. Guys, this is experimental, so don't expect it in your area anytime soon. And then, okay, so it's nicely... I just messed that up, but oh yeah, I see. That way it's all sealed up. And there's the burrito. Crazy, man. Oh, and they've got napkins. Yeah, good on them. All right.
How long were you waiting for that?
Technology. Not even 10 minutes. That was like 8 minutes.
I know. Isn't that insane?
That's crazy.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's nice and warm.
Yep.
Yeah, it's nice and warm. All right, let's give it a try. You know, we'll keep rolling. Let's look at this food. Yeah, we'll do a food review. Very quick food review. Oh yeah, we got some rice. And... It's a good burrito.
Warm, nice.
It's warm, it's nice, yeah, it's beautiful. It's crazy, we're in the backyard and get drone deliveries. Alright guys, just a bit of fun. Awesome, nice warm weather. Hope you're having a good weekend too. As always, hit that, smash that subscribe button if you're not already.
Hit that legit out.
If you want to see the previous video, click here. And if you want to see the next video, click here. Thanks for watching and be adventures out. Oh, Jet, look at you. Look at you. Hold on. Look at this. Jet, you rubbing your booty on me. Doggy style. Doggy style, look at this. Jet. You like it, huh? Doggy style.